What if the next Oscar-winning film was shaped by artificial intelligence? And what if the biggest names in tech and filmmaking joined forces to make it possible? Well, that's exactly what's happening. Google DeepMind, the cutting-edge AI lab, is partnering with A24, the indie studio behind hits like Moonlight and Everything Everywhere All at Once. Together, we're about to rewrite the future of movie production. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, and it's about to change how filmmakers create stories forever. If you want the inside scoop on how AI will transform not just Hollywood, but the very way we tell stories on screen, stick around, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives like this. Don't forget to drop a comment with your thoughts on where AI and film should go next. We want to hear what you think about this creative shift. So here's what's going down. Google's DeepMind has officially teamed up with A24 to develop a new suite of AI-powered movie production tools. The goal? To help future filmmakers expand their storytelling possibilities in ways we haven't even dreamed of yet. And this isn't just some side project. Google is reportedly investing a jaw-dropping $75 million into A24. That's the very first time Google has ever taken a financial stake in a film studio. Let's break down why this is such a big deal. First, think about what each company brings to the table. DeepMind is one of the world's leading artificial intelligence research labs. They've tackled everything from playing complex games to solving advanced scientific problems. They are the masters of logic and data. On the other side, A24 has developed a reputation for supporting innovative, risk-taking filmmakers, which means they're no strangers to pushing creative boundaries. Now imagine bringing these two worlds together. The collaboration is not a one-off event. It's a non-exclusive deal that will span multiple projects over time. In other words, this is the beginning of a long relationship, not just a single experiment. We're looking at a multi-year transformation. According to Google's announcement, our aim is to pair a world-leading research lab with the most filmmaker-forward studio in the industry. The vision is to help artists develop entirely new workflows and techniques so that they can focus on storytelling, not just on tech headaches. So what kind of tools are we talking about? While Google and A24 haven't given away all the specifics yet, we know the goal is artist-centric. We want to ensure future filmmaking tools are shaped by artists, not by programmers sitting in a dark lab. It's about creative intuition meets AI. Picture this. You're a director trying to visualize a world that doesn't exist. Instead of relying on expensive visual effects studios or spending months storyboarding, you could use AI-powered tools to instantly generate new worlds, experiment with lighting, or test out different scenes, all before you even shoot a single frame. We've seen what early AI video generators can do, the surreal, dreamlike clips from tools like Sora or Runway. But those often lack the precise control a director needs. We're talking about moving beyond text to video and into concept to control. Imagine a tool where a cinematographer can specify the lens, the flare, and the sun position. This partnership is likely targeting that high-fidelity, professional-grade precision that distinguishes a cool clip from an Oscar-winning shot. It's about subtle detail. But it's not just about special effects. Google and A24 plan to explore everything from smarter editing software to advanced techniques for visualizing sound design. Imagine an AI tool that helps a screenwriter quickly see how a scene plays out with different characters or locations. Rapid prototyping for stories. Or an editor who can use machine learning to comb through hundreds of hours of footage and instantly assemble rough cuts based on tone, pacing, or directorial style. We're talking about the potential to democratize high-quality filmmaking, putting powerful creative tools in the hands of more artists, not just those with blockbuster budget. Historically, big-budget CGI was the gatekeeper. If you wanted to build a sci-fi city, you needed $200 million. That wall is coming down. If A24, a studio known for making $15 million masterpieces, gets these tools, it means the playing field is leveling. Great stories will shine regardless of cost. Remember how digital cameras and computer-based editing transformed the industry? This partnership could be the next leap forward. It's a generational shift. Let's address the big question. Why is Google making this move now? First, it's no secret that AI has become the hottest area of investment for big tech. But movies are a unique frontier for AI because they blend technology and pure creativity. By working with A24, Google positions itself as a key player in media and culture. And from A24's perspective, it's about staying ahead of the curve. They've built their reputation by betting on new voices and unconventional stories. Now, they're betting on tech. It's fascinating when you look at A24's history. This is the studio that gave us Ex Machina, a film that explored the very soul of AI. Now they are helping build its real-world craft. Of course, not everyone is thrilled. There's concern about how AI might impact creative jobs in Hollywood. We have to ask, will it make life easier or threaten roles? During the recent Hollywood strikes, AI was a central point of contention. The fear is that AI could replace background actors, screenwriters, or even lead talent. However, the good news is that both partners seem committed to building tools with artists in mind. Can we use AI to empower creators, not replace them? That's the real test. We believe the human element, the soul, the lived experience, is something AI can't replicate. It can simulate a style, but it can't feel the emotion behind a scene. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a film buff, a tech enthusiast, or an aspiring creator, this partnership is worth keeping an eye on. The line is blurring faster than ever. As we look ahead, we might see the first hybrid film within the next few years. A movie where the sets are 100% AI generated, but the performances are 100% human. We might even see personalized cinema, where you can choose the lighting style of a film before you watch it. The possibilities are truly endless. This $75 million investment is just the tip of the iceberg. We are witnessing the birth of a new era in storytelling. It's an exciting time to be an artist. Beyond the creation of visuals, we have to consider global accessibility. AI is revolutionizing how films are localized, using advanced dubbing and lip-sync tools to bring stories to every corner of the earth without losing the actor's original performance. Language will no longer be a barrier. We're moving toward a world where a film released in New York can be enjoyed simultaneously in Tokyo or Paris, with perfect nuance and cultural resonance. This also gives rise to the AI-assisted auteur. We're looking at a future where a single visionary creator can achieve a level of production quality that used to require a crew of hundreds. It's the ultimate expansion of the individual voice. Imagine a world where your unique vision isn't limited by your budget or the size of your studio. AI is the great equalizer, turning every creator into a powerhouse of production. And let's not forget preservation. We're using these same AI technologies to restore lost classics, cleaning up grain and correcting color to ensure the history of cinema remains as vivid as its future. We are quite literally rewriting history, making sure the masterpieces of the past are ready for the audiences of tomorrow. It's a complete cycle of creative empowerment. And that's where you come in. What do you think about all this? Will AI become the next indispensable tool for filmmakers? Or will it undermine what makes movies magical? Don't forget, hit that like button if you learned something new, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next big update. Check out the related video in the corner. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep questioning, keep creating, and stay at the edge of what's next. We'll see you in the next one.